Hi, I'm Jessica Amir, a Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are one of the fastest growing investment products in the world. So what are they and why should you consider them? ETFs are simply a basket of securities in a specific theme, say tech or healthcare. Or ETFs can even mimic entire markets such as China or the UK. ETFs can be bought or sold in a single trade on the ASX, just like buying a share. And this is why we're seeing more and more Australians use ETFs, because they're the simplest and cheapest way to build international share portfolios. Or ETFs can even be used to gain access to certain parts of the market that you want to invest in. Here's two examples. Example one. Let's say that you want to invest in global banks because you think bank earnings will grow because the global economy is growing and people are investing and borrowing more. And you believe that global bank shares will rise. Well, instead of researching and investing in all the global banks that you can simply buy one ETF which buys a basket of global bank stocks for you. ASX code BNKS is a great example. BNKS invests in around 60 of the world's biggest banks like HSBC, Bank of America and RBC. And as the ETF's bank shares grow in value, so will your ETF, and you'll get dividend payments too, which will be paid directly to your bank account throughout the year. ETF example 2. Let's say that you wanted to invest in the world's leading companies fighting climate change. Instead of scanning the thousands of stocks listed on global stock exchanges and then working out which companies are reducing emissions or investing in green technology, you can instead invest in an ETF that does all of the research for you. For example, the ETF ERTH invests across 100 international companies that are leading the way in global climate change and are reducing their carbon footprints. So whatever you're looking for, there's an ETF for you. It's also really important to consider that research has found that a diversified portfolio with Australian and international shares, property, bonds and gold outperformed an Australian share portfolio and had half the volatility over the last 10 years. So why not use ETFs to grow and diversify your investment portfolio? For more information, head to belldirect.com.au for a simply better approach to online investing.